So next I request Karthik Gatti. Alright, so this is the last name. A huge round of applause for all the participants. I think you should clap for yourself. I think you all have done a great job for being a part of this wonderful initiative from the 100-400 Foundation. Alright, thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much to do the honors. Thank you. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, Mr. Srinivas. And now you can collect your certificates and medals from the counter right there. Your medals, your certificates, and of course, not to forget your cash. Okay, so I request you all to just make a line. Do not, crumple there near the donor station. And as I've rightly said, you can donate your money if you wish to. It is purely your choice. If you wish to donate it at the donor station.
Can you please call Shanti, Parveena and Lalita?
Shanti, Parveena and Lalita, you're requested to join us here.
Guys, I request everyone to please be patient and please be in a queue. Please, I'll be announcing the names. Just come and please collect your certificate. Yeah. Next. Kavali Divakar. Kavali Divakar. Next. I can't see. Krishna. Krishna. Listen guys, whoever has collected their certificates, medals and the receipts, please head towards my right hand side for the breakfast, which is arranged for here, all the participants. Krishna, can I have the next? It's just Krishna, sir. That's it. Fine. Muskan Misra. Muskan Misra. Please. Maheshwara Rao. Miriala. Maheshwara Rao Miriala. Samskar Kuthati. Samskar Kuthati. Varun Chillam. Please everyone, whoever is coming here, they will have to sign the voucher and then only leave. Varun Chillam. Vishwam Kondra. Vishwam Kondra. Yashwant. Please, I request everyone to make a straight line queue. It's getting very crowded here. A straight line queue, please. Yashwant. Yashwant. Ibrahim. Ibrahim.
All right, guys. The ones who have collected their certificates and medals, you can go and pick your breakfast. I'm sure you are like really tired and you need some fuel in your body. So for that, please lead towards, if you can see me over here on the right side of the donor station.
Jahangir Sheikh.
You can go on the right there.
Jahangir Sheikh.
And you can collect your breakfast and come back over here. Settle down. We have some entertainment waiting for you. Okay, so that you just come enjoy your meal and enjoy along with us a little more time. Alright?
Jahangir Sheikh. Srikar Reddy.
The stall,
guys, important announcement.
The lovely people at the care hospitals. I can see you all sitting in the sun, so I request you all also to go and have your breakfast and come back and enjoy along with us.
Can you? Srikar Reddy. Guys, important announcement. With their own joy of sharing, whoever would like to donate for the other people's smile, on my right hand side is the donation box. So you can donate the money there. Tejaswini Vutkur. Tejaswini Vutkur. Varaprasad Paladugu. Varaprasad Paladugu. Vikram Mireddy. Vikram Mireddy. Guys, I have the donation box on my right hand side. Whoever with their own joy of sharing would like to donate for some other people's smile, please do it. Thank you. Ashok Mishra. Volunteers, please guide the people who have already taken their certificates, medal and receipts towards the breakfast. Ashok Mishra. C.R. Sukumar. C.R. Sukumar. Dhaval Bhatia. Dhaval Bhatia. Your medal, sir. Sir, can you please sign? Dhruv Gir. Dhruv, hurry up, please. Harika. Harika. Midhun Pingili. Midhun Pingili. Muhammad Hamid Khan. Muhammad Hamid Khan. Guys, I would like to request everyone, please, as soon as their name is announced, they will just come as soon as possible because the heat is increasing and we have to do a lot of work yet. There are a lot of surprises heading towards you. Lalita. Lalita. Paruina. Sai Kumar. Siva Kumar. Siva Kumar. Siva Kumar. Shanti. S. Srinivas. S. Srinivas. S. Srinivas. Shantan Reddy.
Sakshi, while you're giving away the certificates, a small announcement for the ones who have received the certificates. There's a very interesting thing which we're doing. We want your feedback on a graffiti kind of thing. There is a graffiti right there. You can see a flex, a white color flex on my right. There is a very handsome looking guy over there in a blue color t-shirt. So you can go there. He has some markers. What you have to do is write your comment and sign it. Alright, so anyone who has received it is very important for us. Now, Sakshi, you can just like...
Thank you, Sabrina. Thank you so much. Shruti. Shruti. This is Shruti. Okay, fine. Shruti, is this yours? Shruti, can you come back here, please? Syed Nasir. Syed Nasir. Tabassum Parveen. Tabassum Parveen. Vailina Tulsani. Adil. Adil. Can you please reduce the volume? It's getting tougher for me. Thoda kam kar do, please. Fine. B. Ramakrishna Kurma. B. Ramakrishna Kurma. C. R. Surbhi. C. R. Surbhi. Dr. Vineet Dani. G.R. Kesavagiri. G.R. Kesavagiri. M. Ajay. M. Ajay. C.H.L. Pranay Verma. C.H.L. Pranay. P. Vinod Kumar. P. Vinod Kumar. M.D. Inayatullah Sharif. Guys, once again, on my right hand side, there's a donation box with your own joy of sharing.
Hello.
For others, people's smiles, you can just donate some amount. Thank you. Bharat. C.H. Sridhar. C.H. Sridhar. C.H. Sridhar. Haricharan. Haricharan. Hirak. Hirak. I. Akhil Shriram. I. Akhil Shriram. G. Vamshi Vardhan. Aksar. 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 put the certificates which are not here actually. Kashi Vishwanathan. Kashi Vishwanathan. Sai Krishna Chatrati. Sai Krishna Chatrati. Niranjan. 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 Next. Venkatesh. Venkatesh. Imran. 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 Uday Kumar Dodi. Uday Kumar Dodi. Ashutosh Sharma. Ashutosh Sharma. Vijaya Bhaskar Kamra. Vijaya Bhaskar Kamra. Manvender Singh. Manvender Singh. T. Sunil. T. Sunil. Teklal Mahato. Teklal Mahato. Saket Sai Narayana. Saket Sai Narayana. Sainath Gona Bhatkula. Sainath Gona Bhatkula. Sampath Peddi. Sampath Peddi. Sampath Peddi. Nishit Reddy. Nishit Reddy. Vineet Reddy. Vineet Reddy. D. Durga Prasad. D. Durga Prasad. Om Sri Vatsa. Om Sri Vatsa. Om Sri Vatsa. Ramesh Kochilam. Ramesh Kochilam. Ranganaya Kulu Velapula. Ranganaya Kulu Velapula. S. Ramachandra Rao. S. Ramachandra Rao. Javeed Khan. Meenakshi Mochrela. Meenakshi Mochrela. Guys, once again a reminder, on my right hand side I have a donation box with your own joy of sharing. For any others people's smile, with your own heart and own happiness, you could donate some amount. Thank you. Ghanshyam. Ghanshyam. PVP Raghuram, PVP Raghuram, PVP Raghuram, Srinivas, CR Sukumar, CR Sukumar, CR Surabhi, S Srinivas, Parveena, CR Sukumar, CR Surabhi, S Srinivas. Hope everyone is enjoying their breakfast out there. CR Sukumar, CR Surabhi, CR Sukumar, S Srinivas. S Srinivas, Aksar, Aksar, anyone Aksar out here? Aksar and Srinivas. Aksar,
Hello. Mic check, 1, 2. Can you hear me? Yeah.
guys, Bhaskar, Nishita,
Check, 1, 2, go.
Rushika and Bhaskar.
Check. Come check down. Mic check, 1, 2. Yeah. Hello. No.
Adil, I'll be handing you over everything within just 2 minutes. Ek do announcements hai, please. Guys, I hope everyone have got their certificates, medals, they have signed on the cash voucher and they have collected their envelope. Anyone who hasn't done it yet, please come to the desk over here and let us know. I hope everyone is enjoying their breakfast. And I request everyone, after their breakfast, Aryan, can you please come over here? Aryan. Guys, I request whoever is having their breakfast out there, please after your breakfast, I would like everyone to come and join back us here so that you can enjoy our performances and cultural program heading up. Thank you. Anyone who hasn't got their certificate, medal, they haven't signed their cash voucher and collected their envelope, please come over the desk and let us know. I once again request everyone, after having their breakfast, please come and join us back here so that we would give you loads and loads of more surprises heading up.
Check. All right. Guys, I'm sure you're having a great time over there
Hello.
near the Nashta counter.
Can you hear me?
But there is a very special thank you we want to say. Yeah, I'll just give it to you in like few minutes, yeah? Okay. So I request Mr. Divakar to please join us over here and say a few words and say thank you to everybody. Can we have Mr. Divakar joining us here, please? Oh. All right, so he's eagerly waiting to thank a lot of people.
Hi guys, we sincerely thank Mr. Srinivas Reddy for his presence here today, and Mr. Venkat Reddy and Madhukan Projects for supporting in a big way for this event, and Swapna Projects, Care Hospital for their medical facilities they have put up here, and Dr. Water for supplying us the water requirements, and healthsoul.com, Abhinna Foundation, and Rohit Associates. And ONS. And volunteers team, Decathlon, and Event 9 for organizing such a good event. And all the participants who have participated in the run, and they have taken money, and also those who have donated voluntarily. We sincerely thank them all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Divakar, for the thank you note. All right. So all you guys out there, pick up your breakfast and join us over here for the last set of entertainment waiting for you.
All the volunteers guide all the people back towards the seats because we have a cultural program heading up. Volunteers,
Chill out. The crowd is
Well, volunteers, I know you all are very tired and enjoying the meal, but a humble request to guide all the participants back. Pick up your breakfast and come back over here. I'm waiting for you so that we do some dhamal before we all disperse.
Where's the drummer going? Come on. Let's start it out. Come on. No, I don't know. It's for someone else. Yo. Yeah. Let's start. So, welcome everyone to I Run. We're going to perform We Are Nevermind, the band. It's Benny on the drums, Tejas on lead, Roop on the bass, and me, Addy, on the vocals. And we're singing for a cause too, everyone. Chill out, be happy. I want you to get a GoPro. वाली धूप, सनशाइन वाली आशा, रोने के वजह कम है, हंसने के बहाने ज्यादा, सिर्फ मुस्कुराएंगे, खुश रहने का है वादा, उम्मीदों वाली धूप, सनशाइन वाली आशा। दिल से अगर पूछो तो खुश रहना ही चाहे, सच्चे दिल से मांगो तो खुल जाती है राहें, तो खुल के खुशी लुटा लो, ये क्या है आधा आधा। Sunshine while the Asha, sunshine while the Asha.
All right, guys, put your hands together for Nevermind.
The mic's not good.
All right, people. So this.
No, they can't.
All right, so people who are enjoying their breakfast right now, I would request all of you to come down near the stage because our performances and our cultural show is about to start. And those people who have already finished your breakfast and they're sitting down, you can start cheering up. You can at least give a big round of applause for our performers who are on the stage. The band which performs right now, the band's name is Nevermind. Yes, exactly, the band's name is Nevermind. So Nevermind, you just enjoy, just have loads of fun and have a nice time.
शराबी ये दिल हो गया, संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारो, संभलना मुश्किल हो गया। दिल में मेरे ख्वाब तेरे, तस्वीर जैसे हो दीवार पे, तुझ पे फिदा मैं क्या हुआ, आता है गुस्सा मुझे प्यार पे। मैं लुट गया मन के दिल का कहा, मैं कहीं का ना रहा, जान ले ओ दिलरुबा, जरा सा हंस के जो देखा तूने तो तेरा बिस्मिल हो गया। गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया। we're here in this beautiful place. This place here for running and everything's okay. We're chilling out every single day, just trying to be Happy. So I'm asking you, why are you so sad today? Can we make a happy day out of anything, anyway? We've been living life on this fast lane, trying to make everything go, man. We've been trying to look a little good and trying to live this life on this fast lane. So here we go again. 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 Yeah, here we go again. We've been looking out. Here we are again. We've been trying to say life all again. Trying to do something good for you, man. Trying to make it good. Trying to sound it good. Trying to live life so happy I should. Oh, trying to make it fine with his rhymes coming out like every time. Got my niggas right beside me. I've been chilling now. Yo, every little night being happy. Not sound a little crappy. Trying to do life, I'm need a nappy. Yo, trying to live this life every day, every little night. So here we are. Here we are again. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are again. Lovely.
Guys, we just started it. I still see people having their food. I request them to come back over here.
They're coming, don't worry.
So that you enjoy a little bit before we disperse. यार अभी तो सिर्फ 9 बजे हैं, अभी तो सुबह हुई है, काफी मस्ती बाकी है. And I want you all over here.
So this is a good day. I'm chilling out every way. It's just a fine day. We're living every day. And I've been trying to hide away, trying to live this life today, trying to make it all okay for you and me in the street. I'm talking to myself and I'm old again. Looking at the things that I did back in my life today. I've been trying to make everything sound all okay. So here we go. Here we go. Here we are. Here we go. So, like, I've been trying to do this right, trying to make everything sound good in this mic, trying to get the taste of life, trying to get this life ignite. Oh, trying to use little words coming out, yo, with a good little verse. I've been trying to break the thirst, trying to come first in this race, trying to tie up my lace. So we just get things messed up in the line. I've been trying to make things fine with my life, trying to make a good little rhyme for this night. I've been trying to only come beside, yo, trying to make it all okay sound every little day. I've been trying to live life all okay. So okay-ay, okay, yo. So here we are, we're back again in this place where we started from. So here we are, we're back again in this place where we started from today. So here you are. Here we are. Here we are. Yeah, here we are. Here we are once again. Now I got the beat changed up and I'm trying to get the mic straight. Try to get bass all right in the face. I've been trying to get my lace up, trying to get that taste of the waist up, trying to live my life all in the lane. Everything's going insane, but the beat's coming out good. I've been trying to live my life in my damn hood. Got my wool coming out, man, I got other pull coming out, I went to school. Yo, I've been be a little cool, but I got you niggas like acting like a fool. So don't try to come and like drool in my face. You can't go do that in the lace up. So here we are, once again, where we started from. Yeah, back then. Here we are, back again from the place where we started again. Yeah, yeah. So where we started again. Oh, where we started again. Oh, where we started again. Yeah, yeah. Oh, where we started again. So, where we started again.
All right, guys, make some noise for them.
Thank you. We got some more coming up. Now enjoy, everybody. Had your breakfast. Now you can come and listen to some music. It's live music, played by some live instrument players. For this life that we have, you know, we need to have a joyful life. Be happy in everything that we do. Woo, yeah. What's the main reason for being happy? No, what's the main reason for life? Being happy, you know? We gotta be happy and peaceful in life. We gotta share the happiness that we have with love and care. Like we share it in music. In our way, we do it through music, you know? So that's never mind. We go along with the next song, yo. Chill out. Next song? Which one do you want? Let's go Misery, guys. Lovely. Misery. Okay, yeah. The name of the song is Misery. It's my own OC. Wow, that sounded good, yeah. They just... see this light coming towards us, and it's quiet and so slow. I don't know if it is a sign for us, but I guess that we should know that life has never been easy for you and me, and we're trying to break through, and we're trying to break through this misery. So, yesterday was just a memory. That's what I had. Life was just another misery. I lived that. All things that came up in my way, I faced that. Things has turned away from me today, and I'm so glad. All things have been doing. Is it right or wrong? Should I go back to the place where you and I belong? But it seems a long way from me, way too long, and I can't but the strength to sing another song. Every time I look up in my way, it's another misery. I try to go back to the place where I can find my destiny. Every time I don't know why do I back down, but right from today, gonna march up my ground. I see this light coming towards us, and it's quiet and so slow. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't know if it is time for us, but I guess that we should know that life's never been easy for you and me, and we're trying to break through, and we're trying to break through this misery. Been a while, I've been living in this misery. I'm just trying so hard to make it history. Life story, man, I gotta live it anyway. I'm just trying to make mine in the sunny days. Sunny days are back now, all is okay. Done with all the fucking grind, know it all paid. I also want to show you now my little lanes, where I walk every day going insane. Satan in my little bit of damn trip. I don't want to slot you coming damn flip. I just want a little bit of damn hit of the racetrack done with the damn pit. I see this light coming towards us, and it's quiet and so slow. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't know if it is a sign for us, but I guess that we should know that life has never been easy for you and me, and we're trying to break through, and we're trying to break through this misery.
Woo!
Oh man, that's like, yeah, bro, we go ahead.
Change the word, please. Change the word. And you sing loudly. Why are you going?
The mic is so low.
Get the volume up, man. Can't you get us some volume on the mic?
Hello. Yeah. Song for them. From Shocky and Sassing a song. Do you want me to sing Hindi songs? So they said, madam. Yeah. I just sing for them.
Let's do our song. Myself, I'm down. Okay. Myself, I'm down. Yeah. It's the last song.
That's the last song. That's the last song.
Then change the state. Change the state. Change the.
Okay, I'll sing a Hindi song for them now.
Don't do it. You fuck it up. Okay?
No, I won't fuck it up. Okay. What should I tell you? Okay, these songs, we didn't prepare them exactly, you know? We're just singing them around for you. So, I'm thankful for you guys listening to us. Thank you for being such a patient audience. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks a lot. For everyone around, it's for peace and joy, like what we love. You know? Peace in this world. Okay, this is a Hindi song from a movie. Like, I know a bit, so I'll sing it out. साज तू तेरा तर्ज में तू है दवा और मर्ज में आजाद तू खुद गर्ज में गीत तू तेरे लफ्ज में तू है दवा और मर्ज में आजाद तू तेरा कर्ज में है शाम तू ताबीर में माना तुझे तकदीर में तुझसे मिला तो पा लिया हर चीज में है शाम तू ताबीर में माना तुझे तकदीर में तुझसे मिला तो पा लिया हर चीज में है तेरी मेहरबानी कि अंधेरों से हम मुकर गए है तेरी मेहरबानी कि बिन जाने ही हम सबर गए तू ही तो है बेवफा बारिश मेरी सवेरा मेरा तू ही तो है बंदगी है कश्ती मेरी किनारा मेरा तू ही तो है बंदगी है कश्ती मेरी किनारा मेरा तू ही तो है बंदगी है कश्ती मेरी किनारा मेरा तेरी मेहरबानी कि अंधेरों से हम मुकर गए है तेरी मेहरबानी कि बिन जाने ही हम सबर गए एहसास तू तेरा तर्ज में तू है दवा और मर्ज में आजाद तू तेरा कर्ज में है गीत तू तेरे लफ्ज में तू है दवा और मर्ज में आजाद तू तेरा कर्ज में ऐ शाम तू ताबीर में माना तुझे तकदीर में तुझसे मिला तो पा लिया हर चीज में है शाम तू ताबीर में माना तुझे तकदीर में तुझसे मिला तो पा लिया हर चीज में है तेरी मेहरबानी के अंधेरों से हम मुकर गए है तेरी मेहरबानी के अनजाने ही हम सबर गए Next. See, I told you Hindi songs come from audience up. I told you Hindi songs come from audience up. Let's do some Hindi numbers. Come on, I'll march again. I'll do my number. Wow, this looks good. Vindhya, okay.
All right, Adil, I will just take a minute from you. I know you're on a roll, but I'll just take a minute from you.
All right.
All right?
Peace.
Yes. Get some rest to your throat just for a couple of minutes.
Yep. Thanks a lot.
All right, there's a good news for the charity which is happening over here. We have a lady and a gentleman, Harita and Vijay, right? And they are donating 50 grants each for a noble cause. So thank you so much, and they do deserve a huge round of applause. All the volunteers, I want you all to make some noise and get rid of the selfies. Okay, and over to you. The gentleman over here is looking very smart with his Ray-Ban glasses. So I give the mic to him while he wants to say a word to all of you.
Thank you, Sabrin. See, I just wanted to tell you that this morning's run, we had put a poster here. This is Warum. Why? And it is in German. In English, it is why. See, this whole concept is that, you know, our own physical efforts, our own efforts, our own labor, our own efforts, our own labor. We work out, we run, and what we get, we either spend it on ourselves or give to somebody. The aim is to bring not only the physical fitness outside, but also something good inside also. That is the aim of this foundation. So we just came across very recently something senseless happened. Around 150 people lost their lives. Around 150 people lost their lives in French Alpine, where one pilot who was otherwise physically very fit just went and not only killed himself but killed 150 with him. So we just thought that let this thought linger in our head, that why people do such things, why? We are not giving any answers, we are not asking for any kind of a solutions, we are just leaving it to the individual choices. At the end of the day, it is individual who matters, his own thinking, his own approach to life, his own approach to happiness. So that was the poster all about. It is just a nudge to us to think about things when we go out of this place. This run is not a run which ends with a run. In fact, what ends with the run is nothing but something which you get because of your effort. It begins after the run. So after the run should begin now. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm sure everyone are quite clear of what 100 for 100 Foundation is all about and why we all were gathered over here to have that 2K walk, run, jog, whatever you call it, was basically to spread joy, happiness along with the cause. And thank you very much. We've got some wonderful donations from the money you have earned from your sweat. So yes, I got very good donations. A huge round of applause to all of them who have been participating and given their donations. Thank you so much. And now I think they're all waiting for the music and not liking me between y'all and the music. So I'll get off and over to Adil and his entire group who's going to entertain you. Adil, they're not liking me now. They want you on the mic, so I give it up to you.
Thank you very much there. So we're back again. Never mind, huh? Okay, so just try to be happy, huh? I'm just trying to make everyone smile out here. That's my job. So you can clap hands, you can come interact, come and sing with me, and do anything. This song that I made for 100 Foundation, I Run. We've been living this life on this road now every day, thinking about now what to do in every way, Anywhere we raise our eyes, while we see them tears, all I want is loud pain to disappear. So all I'm wishing now is see them feet come join me and say together somehow. Say together, say that we will run for joy and happiness. Shall love be prosperous? Run for cause and joy with us. Spread peace, love, and laughter. Run for joy and happiness. Shall love be prosperous? Run for cause and joy with us. Spread peace, love, care, and lots of love. For the ones who couldn't get enough. Yeah. हर गम को हम मिटाएंगे अगर मुश्किल को कर दे आसान हाथों में हाथ मिलाएंगे ये खुशियाँ सब लुटाएंगे हर मुश्किल को कर दे आसान जब तक हम है तो क्या गम है जिंदगी में खुशी ज्यादा और दर्द कम है चलो मिलके भागे हम खुशियाँ लुटाएंगे कुछ गम मिटाएंगे हम करके दिखाएंगे दौड़ेंगे मुस्कुराएंगे हम खुशियाँ लुटाएंगे कुछ गम मिटाएंगे हम करके दिखाएंगे दौड़ेंगे मुस्कुराएंगे Say that I will run I will run Say that I will run Say that I will run. Say that I will run.
entire group does deserve a huge round of applause. If this is original track, which was
Come on, guys.
I think it was wonderful.
Feel happy about it. We're happy, you know?
Yeah,
We're
and
happy
it
in
was
doing everything.
so-
Never mind.
It is so apt when they said that they're
Yeah.
talking about I run, right?
Yeah, we're talking I run.
I run.
We run
So-
for happiness,
so
joy,
all the
for sharing love,
volunteers, all
peace,
the
be
volunteers,
prosperous.
Make some noise for I run.
I run. Woo! We run.
Awesome.
We run for fun. Everybody enjoy the run. Yeah, that was that cool. Mama. What? You want to sing? Come. You can sing. You want to sing? Come. No, you're singing. You're singing. I'm playing.
You are singing.
I'm not singing. I'm not singing.
We both are singing. Come on. Which song?
Let's. Okay, let me sing.
Sakshi is jack of all. She danced and now she's going to sing.
Okay,
Awesome.
let me try singing OC for you guys. This is a Hindi song by me. It's a love song. You guys love it, I guess. It's about love. Yes, sir. That's the way. आजा रातों में मेरी आजा ख्वाबों में मेरी आजा बाहों में मेरी आजा सांसों में मेरी आजा रातों में मेरी आजा ख्वाबों में मेरी आजा बाहों में मेरी आजा सांसों में मेरी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको पहली बार तब से हुआ है मेरा दिल ये घायल ओ घायल जब से आई हो तुम पास छा जाता है कुछ खास हो रहा हूँ मैं तो पागल माथे पे तेरी बिंदिया बिंदिया जो तेरी चमके चमके रे मेरी दुनिया दुनिया जो मेरी चमके माथे पे तेरी बिंदिया बिंदिया जो तेरी चमके चमके रे मेरी दुनिया दुनिया जो मेरी चमके रातों में मेरी आजा ख्वाबों में मेरी आजा बाहों में मेरी आजा सांसों में मेरी आजा रातों में मेरी आजा ख्वाबों में मेरी आजा बाहों में मेरी आजा सांसों में मेरी आजा माथे पे तेरी बिंदिया बिंदिया जो तेरी चमके चमके रे मेरी दुनिया दुनिया जो मेरी चमके माथे पे तेरी बिंदिया बिंदिया जो तेरी चमके चमके रे मेरी दुनिया दुनिया जो मेरी चमके रातों में मेरी आजा ख्वाबों में मेरी आजा बाहों में मेरी आजा सांसों में मेरी आजा
Wow.
Okay, what'd you say about that? I was fine.
Love is
Want
in
some
the air
more?
now.
I sang that just a while ago. Okay. Hindi गाना अच्छा लगा था. डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ. You know that, right? You guys know that. Jai Telangana. डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आंखों में तेरी दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आंखों में तेरी दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी अब दिन गुजरते रहे रातें कटती रहे 10 तीर से बातें बनती रहे ओ आजा ना जा रे बेवफा तुम जो मिल गए दिए जल गए प्यार के कैसे खो गए यादों में ऐसे कोई जाने ना पहचाने ना ये हुआ कैसे हो गए यादों में ऐसे बेवफा सुन लो बेवफा बेवफा न जाना डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आंखों में तेरी दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आंखों में तेरी दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी yeah. Thank you a lot.
Adil, we don't want you to stop. Like, we just want to keep listening to you and listening to you. And
Really?
listening to you, yeah.
Is that everyone says that? I don't believe them though.
No, you have to believe it. Start believing that.
Bol Hindi. Chalo. I'll just give some acoustic to them. मैं शायर तो नहीं, मैं शायर तो नहीं, मगर ऐ हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको, मुझको शायरी आ गई। मैं शायर तो नहीं, प्यार का नाम मैंने सुना था, मगर प्यार क्या है ये मुझको नहीं थी खबर। मैं तो उलझा रहा उलझनों में, यहाँ दोस्तों में रहा दुश्मनों की तरह। मैं दुश्मन तो नहीं, मैं दुश्मन तो नहीं, मगर ऐ हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको, मुझको दोस्ती आ गई। मैं शायर तो नहीं, मगर ऐ हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको, मुझको शायरी आ गई। मैं शायर तो नहीं। That's like, okay, let's go some more. Let me try to remember.
All right, guys, a small announcement for all of you, and maybe, yeah, we just got to know that you're from Shillong, right?
Huh?
Right? So, I have heard that the organizing committee, they have a few connections with Shillong, so I want to give 3 cheers to Shillong.
Kumno, sir. Hello, kumno. Hello, kumne ma. Long bhayam. Long bhanayam.
Okay, y'all can continue the communication. Let us have 3 cheers for Shillong. Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
All right.
Rubaru. Come on, guys. Yeah.
There's going to be some company. I'm going to give the mic to a few people.
Yeah. ए साला अभी अभी हुआ कि आग है मुझ में कहीं हुई सुबह मैं जल गया रूबरू रोशनी रूबरू रूबरू रोशनी दुआ छटा नया गगन मेरा नई उमंग नया सफर मेरा जो बन सके वो हम सफर मेरा मिला नया नया रूबरू रोशनी रूबरू रूबरू रोशनी Okay.
Can we get something from Rock On, if that's okay?
From Rock On?
Rock On or Rockstar? Anything?
Na 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 na. Listen up. I'm not good with the lyrics, so we just go freestyle on this too. Okay? Yeah. So, what go first? 2 lines though. मेरी लॉन्ड्री का एक बिल, एक चाबी पर ही नो बिल. ना 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 ना. एक लड़की का फोन नंबर, मेरे काम का एक पेपर. ना 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 ना. मेरी लॉन्ड्री का एक बिल, एक चाबी पर ही नो बिल. ना 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 ना. एक लड़की का फोन नंबर, मेरे काम का एक पेपर. ना 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 ना. मेरे हाथ से ताश का खेल, मेरा एक चांदी का रिंग. पिछले 7 दिनों में मैंने खोया. कभी खुद पे हंसा मैं और कभी खुद पे रोया. मेरी लॉन्ड्री का एक बिल, एक चाबी पर है नो बिल. किल ना 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 ना. एक लड़की का फोन नंबर, मेरे काम का एक पेपर. ना 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 ना. मेरे हाथ से ताश का खेल, मेरा एक चांदी का रिंग. पिछले 7 दिनों में मैंने खोया. कभी खुद पे हंसा मैं और कभी खुद पे रोया.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Adil all the way from Shillong, and the name of the band is Nevermind.
Okay, guys, we have our wonderful Swati ma'am here who would sing few lines for us. All right, so cross your fingers.
Why cross your fingers, Sakshi? We are confident about her. Very confident.
जिया जाए न जाए न जाए ना और पिया रे. जिया जाए न जाए न जाए ना और पिया रे. पिया रे. धूप आए तो छाँव तुम लाना. ख्वाहिशों की बारिशों से भीग संग जाना. धूप आए तो छाँव तुम लाना. ख्वाहिशों की बारिशों से भीग संग जाना. जिया जाए न जाए न जाए ना और पिया रे. पिया रे. थैंक यू.
वाह, क्या बात है. जोरदार तालियां.
Guys, round of applause for Swati ma'am. Come on. Adil, over to you again, please. Entertain us. More and more, how much ever you can.
JQ. Na aaye ho, na आओगे, na phone pe, बुलाओगे, na शाम की करारी चाय, लबों से यूं पिलाओगे, na आए हो, na आओगे, na दिन दले सताओगे, na रात की नशीली बाई से नींद में जगाओगे, गए तुम गए हो क्यों रात बाकी है. Okay, my bad. Sorry, we go first. Okay, I've been singing for 5 songs. Come on, you gotta pardon me for this one. Let's go, G. Sorry, G's. Let's go, G.
That's okay. Adil,
It's
that's
a live.
okay.
It's a live performance. We're doing live. So sorry. My bad for this one. Same song again with G. Okay. How do we start? Myself down? Why not myself down? Wait. How do I start? I'm forgetting, man. Okay, myself down. It's an English song, okay? After that, I'll remember the first song again. I'm coming back. I'm like, I'm gonna have so many songs in my mind right now. That's it. This is one of my songs. What is this happening to me? I'm running in a search of peace. Are these dreams or the real things that I can really feel? Are these dreams or the real things that I can really feel? I'm turning into insomaniac. I'm tired of all the losing acts. I'm tired of running all again. Shit will never come to end. I'm tired of running all again. Shit will never come to end. So now I'm walking all alone, in search of love to find my own peace of mind to get the ease. I just wanna go release. Peace of mind to get the ease. I just wanna go release. Myself, I'm down. Myself, I'm down. Myself, I'm down, 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 down. Myself, I'm down, 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 down. Myself, I'm down, 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 down. Myself, I'm down.
Alright, Adil, that was a very good song.
Okay.
So, coming
Can't
back
take
to
5
our
minutes
Hindi
break,
song.
guys. Come on, man.
5 minutes of break. Alright.
What's up? Did everyone enjoy the performance, though? I got less audience. Doesn't matter. I got you guys. You love me. That's why I know you guys. Yo! Yay! Shillong, Rock City, yeah?
Hello, check. Alright, before we move further, I have a very small and very important announcement. We have found this Maruti 800 का चाबी अगर किसी का गुम हो गया है